Okay, today we will finish the mail merge task. So open the question paper here, and we need to finish the evidence or task one first, evidence document. So open this evidence files and make sure your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document, and save this document in your workplace in our school's NAS, and we paste and put your student number um, to the end of the this file name. So I go first. I go open the evidence files. Make sure your name will appear everywhere. So I go to insert and footers and use v column. Here we go. Our center number is MO is Macau, the software Macau, and 002 is our school, and the number I think is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. With your school, if your student number here, so your student number like this thing, but I suggest you delete uh, the letter S. Okay, finish and save. Yeah, it asks us to save us with them. So how about we rename it like this thing, followed by your student number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We open it again. We go to the mail merge task directly. So we're here. Okay, mail merge. So you are required to carry out a mail merge, create a mail merge letter using the file this thing book evaluate as the master document, and book members CSV is data file, data source file. We paste the date, the servant date with a field to display today's date in the format of DDMMYY. So go. Open the letter, the book evaluate. Open this, and it asks you to replace the date. Remember, don't use these things because it doesn't update. It doesn't update automatically. So we use this quick part and go to the field and go to date here and search the format it needs. The format is DDMMYY. DDMMYY, yeah, that's the first one. Good. Finish that. And because it can update, you can see it update automatically. When you go to tomorrow and open the file, you again just click update. You update tomorrow's day, and then okay, enter your names and the number, everything in the footer of the document. So go back to the letter and footer, insert and footer, and blank here again. MO002, your student number. Done. Okay, and evidence. Take a screenshot evidence of the data field code showing the format used. Paste the screenshot in your evidence document. So how can you show the format? I suggest you just click it and right click and click the toggle field codes, so you can see the format here. Again, this thing, and then you click a screenshot and paste it on to evidence 12. Go to evidence 12 here. So Control V to paste it and crop. Almost done. I think you make it drop again. Crop. Okay, good. Only show the format of the day. Done. Good. Okay, for the format, I think put this evidence 13 to the next page. It's easier for the examiner to see your evidence. And next, we paste the test and servers in the master document with the with the merge fields from the data source file as follows. Okay, we paste those words with the data source, this field names. So it means that we need to do the mail merge, and go that mail merge. Okay, mail merge. So let's here step by step research recording. Okay. Go. Next. So slow. So until you say pop-up windows, and select the file load, the data source file here, and put it here. Go members. Yes. And you can see the all values, all data here. Normally we ask you to do some filter later, so it looks good and okay. And we paste. Okay, until we can see this thing in search mail field. It tells us that we can do the merging. Okay. Okay. First is first name, right? Yeah. First name, last name. Okay. Stress area postcode. Okay. First name, last name. Stress area. First name. Okay, please space easier to select the word. Last name. Okay, address is 3, and address 2 is area. The post is postcode. Good. And then club meet is the day. Okay, club meet day. Okay, club is club. Club is club. Meet is the day. Meet is the date. And date here. Oh, again, first is the first. First the first name. Okay, last the last name. And title. Book title. You can see book title. Yes. Book author. No. Yes. Okay. Questions. Question. Okay. Question. Remember to keep the question mark. Don't change the thing that doesn't ask me. Okay. Okay. Question. Okay. Done. Okay. Make sure the spacing, punctuation, alignment, and enhancement in the original master document are maintained. Don't change anything in the original master document. Save and pin the master document. I think it asks you to pin the document with merge field code. It means that to show the evidence that you merge everything. And okay, you can pin this way, so you can get the pin out is like that. Have those servants things. If you want to prove them more, you may show them use this thing options. Show them the field code, the format. So use the advanced settings to use the go to print and pin field code instead of their values. After you do that and okay, and when you pin you really get the field codes. The field codes like this thing. The field codes for the all page like this thing. You get this one. So based up to you. But for me, I will okay. for me, I think it's better use this thing. It means that go to the pin setting. For me, it's better go to the pin setting. Sorry, options, advanced the pin settings about the pin field codes instead of their values. For me, I will use this method. Okay, and then okay, everything goes well. Go. Okay, after you pin, make sure you enter your links and numbers, candidate number on the master document. Make sure, and go to next. Set an automated filter to select members where the cup is the book bus. The day is Friday. So 2 criteria here. So is it and or not? Use and criteria or criteria. And again, go to your master document here. So go to the edit recipients list. Go to the filters. According to the question paper, you need to do cup and day. So go to the cup, CLUB cup, and days, DATD days. And actually it's an, not the or, because it means that you are the cup of bulk bus at the same time. The day is Friday. At the same time it's Friday. So use and. When we can use or, when the question asks you the cup is bulk bus, either is Friday, then that time you can use or. So in this time, it's not either, it's at the same time. So you need to use and. Bulk bus, bulk BUZ bus, and the Friday. The day is Friday. Date. Now remember this here. Day, not date. Day. DAY day. Okay, go, good, done. So you can check the result. The cup is here, good. At the same time, it's Friday. Finish. So you will get 3 records here, and you can preview. Everything's okay, and you can see the length, everything is changed when you press this button. Normally we ask you to give them a screenshot about the filters. Paste your evidence document as screenshot to show the use of automated selection method. Okay, go back again and show your filter and take a screenshot. Take a screenshot pin screen and paste it to the evidence 13. So go to evidence 13 here, Control V, and crop again. Make it bigger. Okay. And merge and pin the letters for the selected members only. Okay. It means that you pin those guys, these 3 guys, and their related information. But do you remember you go in the advanced setting, you have said something about the pins. So go back to option, advanced, and the pins. The print here, remember to uncheck. It means that pin their values, because we really want that data, these values, pin this thing. So after that, when we turn back to the normal view and pin it out, and save. Okay, how can you pin it out? Just okay, good question. Don't use this method, pin. If you use this method, only can one page, not the 3 pages. How? We use this thing, finish, and pin documents, and all. And then you will get 3 pages of this selected guys. And pin OK, and then you pin. And all finish. See you.